Hello kids! Today we are going to trace and color beautiful daddy shark. Let's start tracing. We trace daddy shark with black color. Kids, what is this? This is daddy shark. Today we are going to trace and color beautiful daddy shark. Kids, do you like it? Wow, it looks great. Daddy shark looks great. Now tracing is done. Now it's color time. Let's open it. Wow, beautiful colors. It is a yellow color, blue color, red color, orange, green, pink color. Wow, this color looks great. It is a yellow color. Let's open it. Now we open blue color. It is a blue color. Orange color. Let's open it. Red color. Pink color. Let's open it. Pink color. It is a green color. Wow, it looks great. Yellow color, blue color, orange color, red color, pink color. It is a green color. Let's start coloring with blue color. Kids, which color daddy shark have? Daddy shark have blue color. Let's start coloring. We color the daddy shark with blue color. Great job! We color daddy shark very carefully and very good way. Wow, it looks great. Kids, do you like the daddy shark? What is the color of daddy shark? Daddy shark have blue color. Wow, daddy shark looks great. It looks so beautiful. Now it is a red color. We color the teeth of daddy shark with red color. Wow, it looks great. Goodbye kids. See you in next video.